Welcome. Today I'm going to walk you through a super simple process on how to hide sensitive content on the Telegram app, specifically on the PC version after the latest update. If you've been looking for a way to make your chats a little more private and keep certain material from appearing, this guide will help you get it done in just a few quick steps. First, open up your Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is launched, you'll notice three small horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This is the main menu button, and it gives you access to all of Telegram's settings and features. Go ahead and click on those three lines to expand the menu. Next, this is where all of your account and app preferences are stored. Click on it, and you'll see a list of different sections related to appearance, privacy, and more. From there, you'll want to select Chat Settings. This section is dedicated to customizing how your chats look and behave, giving you the ability to fine-tune your experience inside the app. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Sensitive Content. Within this area, you'll see the switch that controls whether Telegram shows or hides flagged material. By default, this option may be turned on, which allows +18 content to appear in certain groups or channels. To block this from showing up, simply disable the toggle next to Show +18 content. And that's it. With just those steps, you've successfully hidden sensitive content from popping up in your Telegram chats on PC. It's a quick adjustment that can make your experience safer, cleaner, and more in line with your preferences. If you share your computer with others, or if you just don't want unwanted surprises in your chat feed, this feature is especially useful. Telegram makes it easy to maintain control over the kind of material that appears on your screen, and with the new update, adjusting these settings is smoother than ever. So now you know. Disable the option, and you can focus on conversations and channels that truly matter to you, without distractions.